Hello viewers, today I discuss Arduino software setup and setting. First open is the browser, Google search Arduino software, www.arduino.cc main software. Link click here. Arduino software, Arduino previous revised version, Arduino software latest version is 1.8.6. Windows and Windows install. Click here. Just download. Download is complete. My computer. Download file. Arduino software 1.8.6 version. Install. I agree. Next, install. Install is complete. Close. Start button. Arduino software. Open. Arduino software is run. File. Example. Arduino software is complete setup. Arduino board is configure. Arduino software program upload. Next video.